Ours is not a story of privilege. It's a story we've earned the right to tell. Born out of creativity and innovation, put through our paces like no other before. Our journey, the key to enduring comfort and resilience. Tested from day one, pushed and stretched to the limits, all the way to breaking point. Tough, yet never compromising on comfort. That's what we were, that's who we are. Only the strongest followed our path. Our journey, treading new ground. We had to be durable, resistant to alkali, oil, fat and petrol to keep our people working come what may. Cast from solid stuff, our character forged. Strength and comfort set into our soul, prepared for a future of resistance. It's time that made us. For 5 decades it's been the same, world over. Our tradition and perfectionism that kept us going. Never fazed by pressure, it toughened us up and helped create the perfect fit. We had strength stitched in. It bound us, made us resilient and strong. It was on these solid foundations we were built to last. Day after day, night after night, from concrete to rock, mud to metal, we ran, jumped and dived, even broke a few rules. Everyone knew it was us. We felt that heat, welding us together forever. We knew we'd been made like no other, and we lived on like no other. But even as time passed, like bouncing on air, we never lost that feeling, that freedom. Always getting better with age.